Hey there, Playmobil pals. We got something new from Facebook Marketplace. Let's check it out. Hey there, everyone. Hope you guys are doing great, and thanks for checking out this video today. As I mentioned at the very beginning, we got something from Facebook Marketplace. Somebody was selling some Playmobil 123 that I purchased for my nephews, and she also had regular Playmobil, and that's what I was interested in. So I ended up buying this set. I'm sorry I don't have the sheath that goes over this, but I'm going to post a picture of it, what it looks like, on the screen right now. This is set 5649, the Backyard BBQ. I guess the set would be considered a starter kit, so there's not a whole lot in here, believe it or not. But the case is pretty nice to have. This is my first blue one in my collection, which I'm probably ultimately not going to keep these forever. Maybe might be giving these out to my nephews or anybody that might be interested in them later on. But yeah, so there's not a whole lot on here, if anything, just the Playmobil logo, which is nice, but it would be kind of cool if they had more like an embossed picture of some kind in the background. My dog just decided she was going to run her back all over the carpet, so that's what you might be hearing in the background there. But looking into the case as it opens here. Oh, see, so we've got a whole lot of nothing. We do have our catalog from the release date. I can't remember offhand when this was released, but I'm going to post it right there on the screen. And this is a nice little set. I do like to keep the little catalogs, but I don't go through them in these videos. We have a small set of instructions, literally a small set of instructions. As you can see, here's the barbecue, and here's our clickies and some of the other accessories. It's kind of sad that they didn't add any foliage, you know, trees or plants of any kind. That would have been kind of nice, at least just to have one, or even some chairs. No chairs with this, so I guess it's a standing barbecue party. I did get this hippo with the set, but obviously he is not part of the set. But just thought I'd throw him into the video for just a little bit of fun, because I probably won't put him in any other video. I don't know yet, but anyway. So here's the first clicky that came with the set. This is the dad, and he wears a black hoodie with a yellow, white, and blue design in the front of it. And he's got on blue jeans and some blue shoes as well. There's the hood on the back of his hoodie there to show that it is a hoodie with the sleeves rolled up as well. Our second clicky is a little girl with blonde hair, and she's got on a magenta colored shirt overlaid with a blue crop top jacket with strings to, I guess, close it. With a little bit of pink trim. She's also wearing some almost navy blue pants and magenta colored shoes that does match the magenta colored shirt. Kind of funny how much storage you need for such a small set. The first accessory that we have is the table. Kind of small. Actually, I think it's a little too small for what we're going to be putting on it. Alright, so the items that go on the table include this little jar. Not sure what it could be for, but again, it's Playmobil. It's all about the imagination. Alright, so the next item that can go on the table is one of 3 plates. We've got one plate that you would use, I guess, to store, put all the meat on once it's taken out of the barbecue grill. And then one plate for each of our clickies to eat off of. The third item would be the A1 steak sauce. Not necessarily A1, but that's what I would affiliate this with. The next item would be the cutting board. There's no sticker attached to this, so it's supposed to look like just a wooden board. But I can tell you right now that the table right now is about half full, and so this is going to be kind of leaning off the table there. So the fact that the table is the size is not my favorite. I actually wish it was maybe, I don't know, 5 to 10 millimeters larger, just to, you know, provide ample room for the items, but also enough room for the clickies to maybe eat off of. Here we have a set of tongs for which to use to flip and cook our meat. Speaking of meat, we do have like a piece of steak and 2 hot dogs. We actually have 2 of them here. One for the dad and his little girl. And here we have the bottom portion of the barbecue grill with the legs firmly placed to maintain the little drop dish there. And here you have the grill top, which is basically a dome with a handle on it that you can just easily put right on top of the grill. And that there is pretty much all that you will find in that little case, in the blue Playmobil starter kit case. So it's kind of odd, honestly, that we don't have chairs or even any foliage of any kind, no trees, no bushes. Nothing to indicate really that this is a backyard barbecue, aside from the barbecue itself. But I do find it charming as is, regardless.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
There's plenty of nuts and berries in the yard.
Guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We'll be seeing you guys very soon. Until then, everybody enjoy your summer, and congrats to everybody who's graduated. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.